Hi everyone and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today we are going to see how to create a friendly form easily with Typeform. So let's get started. Now we are going to go inside after we registered in Typeform. Here is our dashboard where we can create more workspaces, and this is your first workspace. Here you can add new member. For the free plan, we only can have one, that's you. There you can create at maximum 3 Typeform in the free plan, and you cannot get more than 100 responses for every month. Now let's check what we can create with Typeform. So we are going to create new one, and here you can see that we have some template that Typeform recommend us to use, because at the beginning Typeform asks us some question to personalize Typeform for us. But you can also go to check out the Typeform's templates or to specific categories on the left side. So for example, we just select this one, or you can start from scratch. Here you can see the template. If you like it, just proceed and use this template. So hold a second. Here we are inside our builder of the form. Okay. Now what you're seeing on the screen are various elements where we have a top bar with create, connect, share, and the result, and publish, and the preview. On the left side we have the left panel. Soon we are going to see how to use them. We have the editor and the preview of the result. Here we are going to start with the builder, where we have options on each card. The first one is question setting. So when I click on the setting, it opens up a panel where we can change the setting of this card. So for example, if I choose another, this change because this is a multiple choice, and this is as you can see, welcome screen. In all of them, other than setting, we have image or video that we can use to add in our card. You can take it from the template of image, of video that I take from YouTube or Vimeo, and icons. Choose this one, let's see the result, and then you can see on mobile and on desktop. If you like it, then go and apply it. Then we have logic jump and calculator that are the same as those one. Logic jump and calculator, we are going to talk about them later because they are paid functionalities. Then on the 3 point we have duplicate and delete of this card. We can move a card by dragging the button-like button. So you move over and you can drag. It's a little laggy on my computer. Now, to create new card, just go to the plus button that you can see here, and you can add a new one. When you hover your mouse over the element, you can see how to use it. For example, the welcome screen, you can't use it again because we have used it at the beginning. Data text to welcome the audience. The thank you screen is the last one. When the people complete our survey, we can add the thank you screen. And in the free plan, we only have at the maximum 10 cards. So if you pass the limit, you can publish it. For example, I go to logic jump, and here we added those things that make it trial. In this mode, when you hit publish, you see that you need to upgrade to publish because we have paid functionalities. Now we come back to Builder and continue viewing the other question types. We have multiple choice that is very similar to the drop down. So the drop down, here we add the title. Then we create a choice, for example 1, 2, and 3. So the user will select a one from the drop down. As I said, this is very similar to multiple choice. Then we have phone number, short text for short answer, and long text for long answer. If we just want to show some text and don't want the participant to answer something, we can use statement. Then we have picture choice, Boolean choice, yes or no. To introduce the email, the opinion scale that is also very similar to rating scale, the date, to introduce a number as answer, the legal, to upload a file, payment, website, question group that allow us to group all the cards that we see before, and those are the elements. When you select a text, you can make the text bolder, cursive, or add a link that allow the people to go outside of our form. Very useful when you need to put in the legal information and ask the participant to accept. Now, to see the shortcut, you just go down and see on this button. So as we can see here, if you want to make a line break, just hold shift and enter, and you can make line break as the result that we can see on the right side. Then if you are using window, just hit window key and point to insert emojis. Cool. Now we're going to the second option on the left bar. Here we have different design that we can use for our form. We can choose the blue one. If you don't like, just choose another. If you don't like anything from the list, you can create your own one. Just go to your theme, new one, and then in customize, just make all the modifications that you want. As I said before, logic jump is a paid function that can create logic to jump to another card from the answer. So our jump to a question is just very useless. So we're going to hit add logic jump. And here you can see that if the result is this one, it will make the person to jump to the card that we choose here. Then we have calculator that is very useful when we want to create a quiz. By adding calculator, we can assign pointers to each answer. So for example, if the participant choose the first one, know more about you, then we can create a new one where we can select the another answer and select 1 point. And at the end of the form, you can see the total point in result. Now you can get notified when someone reach a certain level of our form. So we activate this, As you can see, we can also change the subject and message. Now we go to the setting where we can change the language if we want to remove the progress bar, and those two are premium features that are the Typeform branding and the redirector on compression. Then on message, mainly you don't have to touch it because on default it's just fine, but if you want custom text you can change. Then we have connect. Here you can connect webhook or integrate with other applications. For example, get data to your Google Sheet or to your Google Analytics, connect to a marketing platform, or to schedule to Google Calendar, and so on. To share, we can share our form as a link, as a conversation. Here we can make some modification, and as you can see in the result, it's just talking to a chatbot. To show us the option, and we choose one. Then when you like this form, so you have choice between full page, inline, chat button, and then you can customize adding custom avatar. You can copy the link. Now we go back and we go to preview. Well, we also can go to the final version where we are going to complete our form. Mail, gmail.com. Very good. We complete the form, so we come back to our Typeform. Now we can check on the result that we received our answer. Here we have the answer and all the statistics. So this is all. Hope you find useful this video, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos, tutorials, and see you next time. Bye.